Hello everyone, I am at location where we are working on our house on Adair Avenue, and just wanted to kind of give you all an update. I haven't posted on it in a couple of months because we've been waiting on a variance. So the house is behind me. Not much has changed since last time because of the variance. Getting the variance in the city of Atlanta is very time consuming because they're behind, and so we've had to wait now for a couple of months to do that. Just as you can see, the house is all boarded up and secure to keep people out. For some reason, people want to go in there. I have no idea why. There's no floor. We've already pulled the floor out as while we're waiting. But now I'm standing in the backyard. As you can see, the not much growth, just a lot of leaves right now, and a lot of potential back here. Maybe you can see it a little better than before on the other videos. But looks like over here, and Damon has walked through this before in one of our other videos, but over here we have what looks like was a barbecue pit, or a place where there's a gas line, like for a grill. You can see that there. And then of course the notorious well in the back of the yard is where I'm walking to now, as you can see right there in front. If you look inside, it's all filled in for the most part. But good news is our variance was approved today, so we're expecting to get the permits finalized next week, and we can begin working all over again. It's really exciting to be able to move once again after facing another delay or another stall on the project. Keep in mind, we actually purchased the property or closed on the property in April of 2018, and we just hit stall after stall after stall after stall. I think now we're going to be able to keep it trucking moving forward. So very excited about that. But that's pretty much all I have at the moment. I just wanted to give you all an update on this project that we're working on, because as you can see behind me, it's going to be a lot of work, and about $90,000 worth altogether. All right, thanks for tuning in and watching my short video. Have a great day.